If you're about to drop $50,000
On a new Toyota truck, you need to look at the first character of the VIN. If it starts with a J, it was born in Tahara, Japan.
If it starts with a 3, it's from Mexico. For 2026, the 4Runner and the Tacoma have identical DNA, the same frame, the same iForce Max engine, but the official recall data shows a massive divide in how they were put together. One is a 20-year investment, the other is a 3-year lease. Let's look at the receipts. The Mexico problem of Tacoma. The 2026 Tacoma is built at Toyota's Guanajuato and Baja plants in Mexico. While Toyota claims their standards are global, the NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, records tell a different story. In 2025, Toyota issued a massive recall for the Tacoma's front drive shaft joints. Official documents show the ball cages were manufactured with the wrong material, leading to steering failure and rollaway risks. Then there's TSB T/0076-24. This is an official Toyota service bulletin specifically for Mexico-built Tacomas. It addresses total 8-speed transmission failure, some occurring with less than 1,000 miles on the clock. In the US market, these aren't just rumors, they are documented manufacturing process fails. The J plant standard of 4Runner. Now look at the 2026 4Runner. It's still assembled at the Tahara Plant in Aichi, Japan, the same line that builds the Lexus GX and the Land Cruiser. Tahara is widely considered the most advanced automotive plant on Earth. While the Tacoma is struggling with fit and finish issues, like the loose glove boxes and door handle gaps reported by Yodaverse specialists, the 4Runner maintains zero defect tolerances. The 2.4-liter turbo is a high-heat, high-pressure engine. In Japan, the assembly of the turbo cooling lines and the transmission mating are done by Takumi masters. In Mexico, it's high-volume speed. For a US buyer, the J-VIN 4Runner isn't just about pride, it's about avoiding the shop. The second-hand market, US data. Check Consumer Reports or CarEdge. The 4Runner has the highest resale value of any SUV in North America. Why? Because the used market knows a Japan-built Toyota is bulletproof. When these trucks hit 150,000 miles, the 4Runner's Tahara-sourced steel and superior rust inhibitor coatings, documented by SAE International, will outperform the Tacoma's North American-sourced components. If you live in the Salt Belt, like Ohio or New York, the Japan-built 4Runner is the only choice that won't rot out from under you. The verdict. The 2026 Tacoma is a brilliant truck, but it's a first-generation gamble from a high-volume plant. The 2026 4Runner is the gold standard. It gives you the new iForce Max power, but keeps the Japan-level quality control. If you're buying for the long haul, wait for the 4Runner. Don't pay a $10,000 dealer markup for a truck that's already showing up on the NHTSA recall list. The data is clear. The J in the VIN stands for just works. Are you willing to bet $50K on a Mexico-built transmission, or are you holding out for Japan? Check your current VIN and tell me where your Toyota was made in the comments. I want to see which plants are actually holding up. Thanks for watching Next Gen Cars.